healthy do you think biscuits are? A common question, isn't it? To answer, we delve into the fascinating world of research conducted on the health impact of biscuits. The first stop on this journey is an intriguing study by the British Journal of Nutrition. They found that while biscuits offer a quick source of energy due to their high sugar content, they lack essential nutrients. That's right, biscuits fall short in providing the vitamins and minerals our bodies need to function optimally. Now, you might be thinking, what about whole grain or oatmeal biscuits? Surely they must be healthier. A study from the University of Minnesota confirms your hunch. Whole grain and oatmeal biscuits do contain more fiber than their plain counterparts. However, they are often still high in sugar and fat, making them a less than ideal choice for those watching their weight or blood sugar levels. But here's a twist. A research conducted by the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that biscuits enriched with nuts or seeds can be a good source of protein and healthy fats. But remember, moderation is key. Consuming too many of these can still lead to weight gain due to their high calorie content. So where does this leave us? Let's summarize. Biscuits, in their traditional form, are high in sugar and lack essential nutrients. Their whole grain or oatmeal versions do offer more fiber, but still contain a considerable amount of sugar and fat. However, biscuits enriched with nuts or seeds can provide a good source of protein and healthy fats, if consumed in moderation. In the end, it's all about balance. Biscuits can be a part of a healthy diet if chosen wisely and consumed sparingly. After all, health isn't about depriving ourselves, but about making informed choices. So next time you reach for a biscuit, remember these findings and choose wisely. And remember, biscuits are not just about nutrition. They are about pleasure too. So enjoy your biscuits, but do so wisely. After all, isn't that the secret to a truly healthy life? Having heard about the health impact of biscuits, you might be wondering, how can I enjoy biscuits without compromising my health? Here's where making wise choices comes into play. Firstly, moderation is key. Enjoying a biscuit or two once in a while won't derail your health. However, frequent indulgence can add up to a lot of unnecessary sugar and fat. Secondly, consider the type of biscuit. As we've learned, biscuits enriched with nuts or seeds can provide a good source of protein and healthy fats. So if you're looking for a healthier biscuit option, these might be your go-to. Thirdly, pair your biscuits wisely. A biscuit with a cup of unsweetened tea or coffee can be a satisfying treat without adding too much to your calorie count. And lastly, enjoy every bite. The pleasure you derive from eating is part of a healthy relationship with food. So when you do have a biscuit, savor it. Remember, your health is in your hands. You have the power to make choices that balance pleasure with health. So next time you reach for a biscuit, remember these tips. Choose wisely, enjoy mindfully. Stay tuned for more health tips, and remember, balance is the secret to a truly healthy life.